What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm standing at the base of Pilot Mountain in central North Carolina. Late February day, beautiful weather, sunny, clear, mid-50s. Very, very lucky to live here. On a day like this, I just had to jump in the 3.2 and take it for a drive. By the way, sorry for the highway noise. This is where I'm standing right now. I want to take you on a short drive up this mountain and down this mountain in the 3.2. If you're anything like me, if you are not like thinking about your car, you're driving your car. If you can't drive your car, maybe you're cleaning or modding your car. And if you are doing none of that, maybe you're watching YouTube videos of people driving their cars. So I thought I'd share this one with you. Hope you enjoy the ride. I promise I'll be safe. Let's get into it. Okay, so as hopefully you can see, cool little drive, beautiful scenery at the top of the mountain. Not sure how you might have tripped over this video, but if you're interested in coming up here, I'd highly recommend it. And you know, if you are into Porsche content, into just car fanaticism content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'm building it out. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely mind-blowing for me. So, appreciate you watching this video. Hope to see you next time. That said, I'm out of here.